Okay, I was gonna do this on FaceTime, but I bet if I send you a video, because it'll be probably be a bit more clear. This is the one anyway I bought. It's the Endurance Hawke. It's the Hawke Endurance ED class. Yeah, it's 8x42. So basically, if you look over there and look at the view, and then if I put that on there, I don't know how I'm going to do this because I'll try and hold it and fuck, I've got to find it. It's hard to do with the fuck. There we go. I mean, it's a lot clearer with the naked eye. I mean, that's going through the phone and it's not on there properly. But if I take that away now, yeah, and obviously if I could focus it in better, it'd be a lot clearer. I can't, because I'm one hand's holding the monoscope, the other's holding the phone. But basically, I take it away. You need to get one.